Hey guys, Rhett here at my client Braden's first Section 8 rental property, guys. I'm so thrilled for him. This is a big project. We just put a brand new custom metal roof on the roof here. Really excited about that. And guys have just started knocking this out in full force. So we have a crew here right now. They're taking a break while we walk through here. And guys, so this is a 3-bedroom house. We're turning it into a 4. We're doing almost everything. All new kitchen countertops, new bathroom vanities, countertops, all new flooring throughout this entire house, adding a bedroom, new roof. There are mechanicals that are being done here, new HVAC unit, new ductwork, you name it, we're doing it. And then of course, on top of all that, all the Section 8 items that this house needs to pass inspection, all the cosmetic items, paint, ceilings, light fixtures, you name it, we're doing it here. So really quaint, quiet area. And we have a lot of success renting to tenants in this area. So I want to take you through this. This is a house that has a really good layout that I really like. And when you walk in, the door's right behind us. But what we did was we built a wall. So you come in here, we built a wall right here, and this is going to be bedroom number 1. Now, bedroom number 1, as you can see, all brand new framed out. Built this wall back here as well. This used to be a walk-through, so you came in here to a den. We created this hallway. So everything here will be drywalled, painted, and this room is gonna look really nice. Part of this is making sure that when we do add bedrooms, they're a good size. And when you look at the size of this is a great size bedroom. I mean, I'm not a small guy, and for me, this is a good size bedroom. So we have a nice size closet, you have a little alcove over there, you've got plenty of room to put a bed, you've got a ton of natural light, and a lot of times when we take dens and secondary living rooms and turn them into bedrooms, they're perfect because they have everything we need in terms of multiple points of egress. They're strategically located in parts of homes that make it easy to access hallways and access other rooms, living rooms, kitchens, etc. So we're very strategic in where we put things, and I'll show you why in a minute. But so here's bedroom 1, and as we move, we're gonna move through bedroom 1. Here's our hallway, guys. Brand new LVP getting put down throughout this entire house. Bedroom 2 right here. And I really like this. We got a bunch of broken windows, so we have these boarded up as we wait for the windows to come in that we're gonna be replacing those with. But nice, good sized bedroom here. So we have 2 bedrooms right at the front of the house. And then you have a lot of storage space, a lot of big closet space. And then you have a really nice living room area right here. You have your kitchen off to the right. You have a living room area right here. You have a nice sized kitchen. You have a kitchen table area in the back. So guys, this is a perfect example of why we would build a bedroom in the front of the house versus anywhere else. Now, if this home didn't have an area in the back to put a kitchen table, we wouldn't have added another bedroom in the front. You can see this is that entryway on the back that we're walling off, which you won't even be able to tell once we're done with it. So this is a perfect living room now. And if we didn't have that room in the back, we wouldn't have touched that because we would have needed that to be the living room because we would have turned this into a nice formal dining room. So we keep this, the house flows really good. And then of course we add a ton of value just by adding that extra bedroom. You're talking about adding $20,000, $30,000 worth of value just with the addition of an extra bedroom. As long as you do it in the right place, you can add value to the house and it doesn't screw up the layout. So as we walk through here, you've got bedroom number 3. Some of you might be wondering why we're not refinishing these hardwoods, but as you take a closer look, a lot of them are totally rotted. There has been such significant water damage done to these over a long period of time, as well as burn damage, and they've been sanded and buffed out a lot, so there's not a lot for us to sand anymore. We're getting close to the final level on these things, so it makes a lot more sense to just put high quality LVP in that's waterproof and just have it be a lot easier. Sometimes what happens is with hardwoods, people say, oh, I want to finish hardwoods, and what happens when we finish those hardwoods is someone lives in there for 7, 8, 9, 10 years, which is amazing, but then we have to refinish and sand them again, depending on how much wear and tear took place. With LVP, we don't have to do that. So as we walk through here, that's 3 bedrooms. We have more storage, which as you can tell, we got to do a lot here. This door is hitting the floor, so we're taking this whole door out. The whole door is broken. We're going to repaint this entire thing. That's cellar access too, off to the side. This whole bathroom is getting redone. Linen closet, we tore out all this here, and we'll do all new vanity and countertop. We'll take everything out of here. We refinish this tub, and then we'll trash this toilet, get this out of here, make this really nice. Again, another good sized bathroom. And then of course we have bedroom number 4, which is the smallest of the bedrooms. As you guys can see why we boarded these up, because we didn't want anybody just walking on in the house, because there's not even any glass left here, not any glass left there. And you're talking about glass that's most likely somewhere in the ballpark of 70 or 80 years old, which these windows are at least 65 years old. So very, very dangerous too. A lot of these windows, when the glass is so thin, it breaks very easily, and it's very thin, it's extremely sharp. So glass now, it's a little bit harder to break, and over time the glass just gets weaker and weaker and weaker. But a lot of work, guys, still need to be done here. A lot of brand new doors we got to add. We got a lot of broken parts, broken pieces. This is a really nice house, a really nice layout, nice clean door right here, as you guys can tell. I think this door might be original from about 70 years ago. So, and you know, one thing people ask me all the time is, Rhett, should I avoid buying houses that are a certain year old, 70, 80, 90? Should I avoid that? There comes a time where houses can get too old, but it's not about how old they are. It's about how much work has been done to them over that 80-year period or 70 or 100-year period. If people have updated mechanicals, if they've updated the structure, if they've updated parts of the home, then it's fine to do it. But most of the time, they have not done the right stuff. So in order to come in and update that stuff and bring things up to code after 100 years is really expensive. Sometimes the damage is so bad that it's not worth it. Every house we look at, whether it's 40 years old or 20 years old or 100 years old, we're going in and making sure that it's going to be a good investment. When you guys are buying houses in areas where you don't have these teams that do this for a living and have people and contractors that specialize in this, it's really, really difficult to do that. So if you guys want to do this and you want to be like Braden and have this kind of success and start out a portfolio, doing it the right way, doing it from scratch, understanding everything that goes into it, send me an email in the description below. We'll get started, and we'll see you next time.